In this Argos Support video, we show you how to fix charging issues on your phone or tablet. Firstly, we recommend checking the cable. Look along the cable for any bends or exposed wires. If there is any damage, we suggest using an alternative cable to charge your device. You should also ensure that you are using the correct cable, as some cables are designed for just data transfer. Next, we recommend cleaning the charging port. Gently blow on the charging port to remove dust. Additionally, use a cleaning kit specifically for charging ports. If your phone won't turn on, try a reboot. Depending on your device, the steps may be slightly different. If the phone comes back on, keep it on charge and monitor to see if it continues charging. If the device comes on but is not holding charge, you can try resetting the device back to factory settings. Please note, this will wipe all data from the device, so back up any data before completing this. Finally, you may want to consider a wireless charging pad. These are compatible with any wireless charging mobile phone and will allow you to keep your device charged without having to use the charging port itself. For more help and support, visit argos-support.co.uk.